Hey guys, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thanks for joining me tonight. You guys, it's the last Freaky Friday of October. So today I have a super easy little folio or little photo album, I guess. I don't know what exactly, but it's a little photo album. And it's super easy, y'all. And I'm gonna give you the measurements real quick, okay? And then you just decorate it. You just mat it, decorate it however you want. So basically, you're gonna cut 4 sheets of cardstock. Okay, now I know I'm using black, so it's kind of hard to see, but as you can see, if I'm spreading this out, it's kind of like at a stair step. Okay, see how it kind of stair steps there? Alrighty, and so the measurements are, y'all, okay, you're gonna cut one piece of cardstock at 5 3/4 by 5 7/8. Now all of them are going to be 5 7/8 lengthwise, or okay, this way. So that is going to be your main measurement. Okay, so 5 3/4 by 5 7/8 is one. The second one is going to be 7 inches by 5 7/8. The third one is going to be 8 1/4 by 5 7/8. The fourth one is going to be 9 3/4 by 5 7/8. Okay, on all 4 of your pieces, okay, you are going to score a 1/2 inch on all sides, and you can barely see my score line right here. Okay, and then you're going to need some brads. Now you can either use brads on this, or if you wanted to, you can stick, I'm thinking you could probably stick them together with tape. I think it might work. I haven't tried that yet, but I guess we could try it and see how it works. But you will need some brads, and then you could tape all of your edges down together, okay? And then basically it's just like a flip book, okay? But yeah, I think really, I really think that just brads will be okay. And I'm just going to be using some regular brads that I have in my stash, okay? And then, of course, the paper that I'm going to be using is that super cute Ghost Party paper by Rosa Kelly. Oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute, you guys. I had to use it again. So I am just so excited. I love this paper. It is so stinking cute. So I am going to use some of that paper, and then, of course, you can add pockets and flaps or whatever you want to do. I am just going to leave mine kind of plain. I think I'm gonna leave it plain. I mean, I might add something to it later, but for right now, it's just gonna be plain. And but I just thought it was a quick little album that you can put together in a matter of minutes, okay? And really, it would be super cute just for like Halloween. You know, you could do one every year for Halloween, and they don't take up much room, you guys. So they're super flat. You know, look at that. Okay, maybe after you got your embellishments, but really, even with embellishments and stuff, I think it would be okay. You could always put some embellishments at the end here or whatever. If you want to add pockets, you know, that might add a little bit of bulk, but I think it's still going to be kind of cute. So anyway, I just thought it was super cute, and let's go ahead, and I'm going to share with you how we're going to put this together. Okay, so to start off, what I did is I made some little marks on my sheet here, okay? And what I am doing is I just went down the middle of that 1/2 inch line, okay? And I basically put a little dot, and I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit better. There we go. And hopefully y'all can see that. Actually, I'll use my let me find my white pen here. That way y'all can see it. There we go. And okay. All right, so basically what I did is I took my ruler, okay, and I went in a 1/2 inch down here. Okay, so I went ahead and did a 1/2 inch here and a 1/2 inch, about a 1/2 inch down here. Okay, and then I counted the little lines in your ruler to 9. Okay, and then I just added the dot. Okay, so yeah, so that's how I did it. I just went to 9. But if you wanted more measurements, I can go ahead and give them to you. And so you're going to do a 1/2 inch on top. You're going to make another little dot here at the 1 1/2. Then you're going to make another dot at the 2 1/2. You're going to make another dot at the 3 1/2, and another dot at the 4 1/2, and then another dot at the 5 1/2. Okay, so that's how that's going to go. So basically you're going to need 6 brads. Now when you get your brads, make sure that your little prongs are long enough. Okay, if you use, like I was going to use these tiny ones that I have, because I have a ton of these. Okay, I was going to use these little tiny ones, but I noticed that the prongs are not long enough. So yeah, you want to make sure that your prongs are going to be long enough to poke through all of your sheets. Okay, now these I think I got years ago, you guys. I think either at Michael's or Joann's. I probably got them at Michael's. But yeah, so you just want to make sure your prongs are long enough. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to like I'm going to have these two together, and I'm going to go ahead and poke my holes in, and then poke my holes in through these, and then stick them all together and then put them through. Now you can use rings. Oops, here we go. Sorry guys, I'm out of camera. Okay, so once so let me explain this again. So once you're done making your little dots, okay, you're going to go ahead and you're going to poke your hose through. Okay, then you're going to put it on top of there, poke your holes through your other pieces, okay, so they all stick together, and then go ahead and put them together with your little brads. Okay, now like I said before, you want to make sure that your brads have the long enough little prongs at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and poke my holes in, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I was poking my holes, and I just wanted to explain something to you real quick. When you poke your holes, I would do the bottom and then the top, or the top and the bottom, whatever, and then put your brads inside of those holes. This will help keep it together while you're poking the rest of the holes. Okay, so it's just a lot easier, you guys. Okay, so again, go ahead and do the top and the bottom, put your little brads in, and then it will stay together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so there we go, you guys. So I got all my brads in there, and now I can go ahead and cut my papers and put those on there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mat my papers down with this super cute little paper, and then I will be back and share with you my final result. So I'll be right back. On this piece here, okay, you can definitely put like a little 3x3 or maybe a 4x4 here, but I thought it would be fun to kind of cut around this little cat here, and that we could slide a picture like over underneath it. So I'm going to share with you how to do that. Now I've done it in my other albums, my larger albums in the past. So I'm going to do this one here, and I'm going to go ahead and just zoom on in for you. Okay, just like that. And we're just going to go ahead and cut around the cat's ears. Okay, so I went ahead and punched this out, okay, and then I went ahead and did the bat's ears too. I didn't go all the way around, but just the ear part, just in case I needed that extra room for the photo. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and stick that in. When you place this in, you're not going to put any glue around this area. You're just going to go ahead and place glue around the sides. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add this this one right here. Okay, and then I'm going to be adding maybe a bottom piece here. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm going to add a bottom piece to this one, and this right here I am going to put, was it this one? No, this one. I'm going to add a bottom piece. Don't know what I do with it. Oh, here it is. This one right here. And I'm actually just going to use my punch to create a little border, a little cute border on this. So I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am done. Okay, so I just made some little photo mats, okay, and I don't know, I've seen people use, and I think I have used little circles for photo mats before, and I think that is such a really cute idea. And these little circles, little graphic circles that are in the paper collection from Rosa are super big. They are, you know, pretty large. So I don't know how large they are. I guess it depends on, you know, I just left mine the regular size as she sent it to me, and they are about 5 1/8 in circular circumference. So I'm just going to leave them like this. I think they're so stinking cute. So I went ahead and made little tags out of these, and so I'm just going to stick them right in there for little photo mats. And then again, here you can stick a little photo right here, a large photo here. You can, and then here I made this little pocket with the tag on it. Super cute. And then I stuck the little ghosty right there, and then I stuck the cloud that I fussy cut with the little ghost right here. I think that looks so cute. And so yes, I think that is looking good. And then I have one little ghost left on the pocket. I went ahead and stuck this little ghost that I fussy cut from the collection, and then there's this little ghost with the little hands. He's so cute that I think I might go ahead and just stick him down here. He is super cute. And I'm going to go ahead and just place some glue down on him real quick. So just like that, and place him right there. Super cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am done. I think this turned out so stinking cute. And what we did is we went ahead and just used that super cute Ghost Party paper that from Rosa Kelly, and then I went ahead and fussy cut the cloud and this little Happy Halloween. I used this image here from the collection. I love that image, so stinking cute. And then here I used the circles that she has in the collection as my little photo mats, and I also used the little ephemera that's in the collection and cut that out and used those as little tuck spots for my little photo mats. Here I went ahead and cut out around the little ears of the bat and the ears of the cat here. Okay, so they actually lift up. So I can go ahead and place my photo behind them. On the next page, I went ahead and again used one of the little ghosts as a little photo tuck spot, and then used the circle as a photo mat. And then here I went ahead and used this little cute guy. I think he's so cute, and there is enough space here, you guys, to put a photo. Alright, and then here I used a little piece from this paper, because I printed mine on 8.5 by 11, okay, and I went ahead and used this piece down here just to create a little pocket, okay, and then I used the pumpkin with the ghosts and the little bows for the background, and then I went ahead and cut out all of these little ghosts here and stuck again a little large circle as my photo mat. Plus I have this background as a photo mat. Okay, so I can put photos there. Here I went ahead and used this little girl ghost and the little guy with the lantern, and I went ahead and put that down here, and of course I have a large area here for a photo. And then I went ahead and just glued down these three sides here, and because our page is like 9 by 5 in what is it, 9 and 5 and 3/4, or no, 5 7/8. So I went ahead and made a little tuck area for a photo mat, and I used one of the little ghosts, and I used the little cloud that I had cut out with the little ghost right there, and then I could have a large space right here for a photo. So there's that. And look, he's just peeking out there. I can leave it up like this, so he's just peeking out. And then on the back, I used that really cute little ghost party scene where they're flying around, and it says boo, and it has spider web, a little bat I fussy cut out and put him there. So I love this. It's so cute. And that is my Freaky Friday, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really had fun doing this. Thank you all. And you guys have a happy Halloween. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.